Hi, my name is Lucito Mtetwa. I am from Dispersive Consulting. I am the Managing Director of the company, and welcome to our first video series. We are supporting business owners in gaining a full understanding and complete control of their business finances. So we're going to start with covering just the basics for today, and please remember to contact us on 011 655 7322. You can also contact us via Instagram. Our handle is dispersive_consulting, and also on Facebook you can look for us, Dispersive Consulting, as well as on LinkedIn, Dispersive Consulting, and Dispersive Cons1 on Twitter. So we're going to start with the basics. Basically, today we will look at the reason as why you need accounting in your business. So each and every business owner must have a destination when starting a business. You have to ask yourself some few questions when you go on this journey. That is not easy at all. You have to ask yourself, why are you in business? Secondly, ask yourself, where do you want to be in 12 months, 3 years, or 5 years? And then most businesses, you have to ask yourself if you are truly in business or just owning a job with a lot of bosses, which are your customers. Ask yourself if you are building a business or merely owning a job with many bosses being your customers. If you are building a business or wanting to grow from owning a job to building a profitable enterprise that will one day operate without you, and that you can one day decide to sell that business, which is building an asset, then this is for you. So we're going to cover the 3 basic reasons why you need accounting in your business and what those different areas mean for your business. We're going to start with budgeting. So I'm sure you've heard a lot and you've been told a lot as a business owner and also in your personal life that you must keep a budget. And it is a subject that is not fun to talk about and also not easy to apply. However, I'm going to try and give you a different perspective to budgeting. So each and every one, after you've asked yourself those questions as a business person, where you want to be in the next 3 to 5 years, where you want to be in the next 12 months, basically what are your dreams, the reason why you started a business. So budgeting is now applying the monetary side of those dreams. It's as simple as that. It's putting the money on the side of your dreams so that you can measure that goal that you're trying to achieve. It also putting the time frame on how much income it will take for you to achieve that end goal that you set for yourself. It is also wanting to understand how much income do you want to earn in the next 30 days, 12 months, 1 year, or 5 years, which will ultimately lead to your end goal. What costs will you will likely face or would likely rise during those 30 days, those 12 months, that year, or that 5 years that you have placed your particular goal. And also budgeting allows for the flexibility and the adjustments. It will give you light into the adjustments that you need to make as you go on and experiencing the actual reality of achieving your goal. So that is why we need to budget, so that we can understand how much we want to earn in numbers, where we can understand how much it will cost us for us to achieve that particular end goal. And then we move from budgeting, which now we come to financial reporting. So now this is your accountant giving you financial reports, financial statements on a month-to-month basis. And why do we do that? So you need to look at your business like it's a car, like it's a vehicle, and you need to look at your goals as your destination. So before you leave home, you know that you're either going to the office or you're traveling maybe outside of town, but you know where you're going. This is why now we have a budget. This is why now you have to set yourself some goals and dreams. And then monthly financial reports are your measurement of how far are you going, or where are you in line with what you've set out for yourself as a business person. If, say, you want to achieve now on your budget, you want to make 230,000 Rand a month, and your monthly financial reports, they will be able to tell you that this month, end of July, you have made 150,000. So you are this far from achieving your goal. You are 50%, you are 30% from achieving your goal. This month of July, this is how much expenses you actually incurred versus this much expenses that you had budgeted for. So it's an ongoing process. It is not just a case where you must have financial statements to apply for finance, or to apply for tenders, or to apply for something, but financial management reports are for you to be able to gain an understanding and full control in your business. So this is why it is very important for every business owner who's looking to build an asset out of their business to be able to measure their financial journey. And then they will inform you when you need to change, when you need to turn. So financial reports are like the GPS on your dashboard, and they will inform you when you need to refuel. They will inform you when you need to get more capital. They will inform you when you need to cut out on expenses, because you are now comparing them against your budget, and you can see where you are actually going. If this business that you have started is actually making you money, especially if your goal is to build a profitable business. And then secondly, as a business owner, without having financial management report, it's like driving a car that has no dashboard. The dashboard is not working. You may drive, it may be filled with petrol, the wheels may be fine, but eventually at some point your car will break down without you not even knowing. So this is why it's very important for each and every business owner to be able to receive their management reports or their financial reports at the end of each month, be able to understand their financial reports, and if you do not have that understanding on your own, to employ an accountant like us who will take you through those financial statements transaction by transaction, so that then you can make decision based on what you can see. And then we've got the third aspect that affects businesses, and that now is compliance. Business operates in accordance with the acts of this country, South Africa, and if you're operating in other countries of the world, there are acts that you have to comply with as a business owner. And these acts can include income tax, they can include VAT, they can include labor relations acts, which affect your business. And there are also policies now within the company, and this is something that you need to develop as a business owner, policies that guide your company in line with this act. So the thing with acts and policies is they are rules of the road. You have to abide to them, know them, accept them, and comply. It will make your life much easier, and it will make your business much safer and grow much better than avoiding these guiding principles. So financial reporting will help you stay on top of things. The rules are not there to help you slow down, and if your dashboard is working, you stand a better chance to succeed in business. Remember to contact us on our website, Dispersive Consulting. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, as well as Facebook. I thank you.